So last week I had some oral surgery that was pretty major, and unfortunately I'm not supposed to be able to be eating solids. So I am, however, the main cook of this home. So I'm staring right now at the spaghetti. Excuse me. This is pretty much the same way I was staring at it yesterday. Like, how can I get that in my belly? um, because I don't want to be modest, and I'm going to say truthfully, my spaghetti is really good. So my solution yesterday was um, taking some spaghetti and putting it in the blender. So I'm going to do this again, and what I did was, and I know this is a cheap blender, and we actually have a better blender over there, the Ninja one, but my daughter's like, no, don't don't use the Ninja because it's spaghetti and you're weird, mom. So anyway, what I did yesterday, I'm sorry, I know this is a little dirty, but whatever. I put it on grate, and it was actually pretty tasty. So I'm gonna do this again. Okay, so as you can see, I put the spaghetti in the blender. Now I'm covering it. Okay. And really? And now I'm gonna push the gray button in this thing, in this blender, but I'm not gonna turn it, well, I don't know. Let's try it. See if it's noisy, I'm just gonna pause the video. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video now. So while you are blending, you gotta take a wooden spoon or something, and I don't know if you can see the mix down below. You gotta move it around so that everything is blended properly. So you gotta do this several times. Okay then, so this is the mush that I've been eating, or that I ate yesterday. So it went from this to that. But this is the thing, that this is not visually appealing, but it tastes exactly like this, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, super happy. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna say it's probably the consistency of like pate. um what else is, let me see, let me think. Oh, deviled ham. um when you make your deviled eggs, that stuff, well, I'm gonna say this is that consistency. So yeah, I hope this helps. To me, I like to explore and I like to eat, and there's no way in hell that that having major oral surgery is going to stop me from eating. So I'm finding ways to get my protein in, but also with similar flavors that I'm used to. But again, I hope this helps. If you have an elderly person that cannot digest properly, sorry about the background noises. I'm in my kitchen. And if you have somebody who has digestive issues, I think this might be helpful. So, again, give it a try. Why not, right? All right. I hope this helps someone. Bye.